So we got the whole Honda Odyssey. This is a 2014 and it's our workhorse. I just wanted to do a quick video because I was amused. Went to Lowe's to grab some supplies, and you know, there's all these monster trucks running diesel and hauling all this stuff, and they're loading up their pieces of plywood and their trim and all that stuff. And I pull up on the contractor side and park, and they look at me when I get out of this minivan. And I had to run to Lowe's to get some paint and some caulk and things like that, you know, just to finish up the baseboards and all that good stuff. And you know, it's kind of blown out there. Let me see if I can get a better shot. But you know, ground's covered in snow. I don't need a monster truck to get through the snow. Handles very well with these snow tires. And so I walk out, you know, with all the stuff I got, and people are laughing and kind of looking in my direction, so I know they're talking about me. But they're laughing because I'm coming out with 14 pieces of 8-foot long trim, and they're probably thinking, how the heck is he going to get that in this van? Perfectly. I mean, look at this. This is a cargo beast. We have the third row down. I could have taken these out if I needed to, but I didn't need any plywood. If I took these seats out in that center console, I could fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood in here, flat, no problem. But anyway, I've got 14 pieces of 8-foot long baseboard in here. And the beauty of this thing is everybody wants to laugh and think, oh, you can't fit that in this minivan. You want to bet? I mean, it doesn't even come into the front passenger area at all. I mean, I could fit probably 10-foot boards in here to the dash without an issue. Actually, that's probably more than 2 feet. That's probably about 3 feet distance, but they don't make 11-foot boards. Anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to do a little video on how much cargo space is in one of these minivans. And guys, I'm telling you, this thing is a beast. It's quick, it's fast. I could load this thing up and still beat those diesel trucks off the line. Anyways, I just wanted to brag about the minivan. Alright, on to the next.